My first client made $150,000 profit in 6 months on a house that nobody wanted. I know, sounds crazy, right? In this video, I will show you how we were able to get these results. And at the end, I'll share a story on how I almost quit real estate before selling my first listing. That's true. Since 2012, I have sold over 700 homes and helped many investors make some serious money in real estate. When I just got into this business, the market was flooded with bank-owned homes and short sales. Not a lot of people were buying, but inventory kept piling on. Investors and house flippers started re-entering the market since homes were so cheap and there were plenty to choose from. I was determined and I realized that this was the right time to get in. So I found a few local flippers who were buying distressed houses, remodeling them, and selling for profit. My mission was to bring them listings with the most potential, hoping that they would ask me to write an offer, and after remodeling the home, we would list it for sale. Okay, so here's this house. The first deal that I brought to my investor. This house here was a short sale in one of the best neighborhoods of Fair Oaks. It was sitting on the market for a very long time. I showed it to my investor. We wrote the offer at $270,000, which was accepted, and the rest is history. But how did I know that if we get it under $300,000, renovated, then we could sell it for at least $500,000? Here is exactly how I analyzed this deal. First, I looked at the neighborhood. I noticed that many homes before the 2008 crash were worth over $1 million in this community. And this community was highly desirable, near American River. But most homes there were dated, meaning that they were all pretty much in their original condition. So I estimated that a fully remodeled house should sell for at least $500,000. But then I needed to know how much it would cost to remodel the house. And in 2012, an extensive remodel cost about $50,000 to $60,000. So $270,000 plus $60,000, I added another $10,000 just to be safe. The total investment would be $340,000. So with these numbers, the deal looked pretty promising. So I convinced the investor to move forward and make the offer. The next step was to write the offer and submit it. So we did that, and our offer got accepted. And we closed the deal on January 6, 2012. Then April came. The home was now remodeled, and we listed it at $520,000. I know, a lot, right? But I was excited. And every weekend, we held an open house. One Saturday, during the open house, local seasoned brokers and realtors started walking through, checking out the property, and one of them comes up, grabs the flyer, looks at the price, and starts frowning. Then she proceeds. Gosh, where did you guys come up with this price? The maximum this home can sell for in this neighborhood is $375,000. Then another agent comes by and says something similar. So at this point, I'm starting to doubt myself. For me, everything was on the line with this house. This was my debut into real estate. Could I have gotten this so wrong? Is it possible that my investor will barely break even on this project? What if I overestimated the value of this home? All kinds of thoughts were crossing my mind. To make matters worse, the following Monday, we did receive an offer at $375,000. And that's when I said, oh, this is not good. Now I had to present the offer to the seller. What is he gonna say? Now I'm really worried, thinking, wow, I really got this wrong, didn't I? Maybe this whole real estate thing is not for me. I felt like quitting and going back to doing floors, which was something I had a lot of confidence in. I needed to make a decision. So we decided to do more open houses and not give up. After 2 weeks, we sold the house during another open house and closed escrow at $505,000 on June 18th. I still remember how ecstatic I felt. The first deal I brought this investor may have been his most successful flip, and I knew this was my niche and my advantage. Now I had a mission. I set out to help other investors get the best deals, and our business took off from then. Soon, other investors started calling us and asking to work with us, and since then, we flipped hundreds of houses and never looked back. So now that you've heard how we turned what seemed like a losing deal into a $150,000 profit in just 6 months, you can see that real estate isn't about luck. It's about making smart, calculated moves even when others doubt you. It's about persistence, trust, and believing in your ability to see the potential where others can't. So if you're ready to get serious about making money in real estate, don't wait. Start now. And remember, even when the road seems tough, the reward is worth it. If you are someone who wants to work with a team that will help you win in real estate, we would love to hear from you. Our contact information is in the description and also on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. And now, let's get to work.